President Emmerson Mnangagwa has dramatically weakened Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's influence in ZANU-PF by firing the party's Secretary General, Obert Mpofu, one of Chiwenga's key allies, and replacing him with his own loyalist, Jacob Mudenda, the Speaker of the Parliament. Salabina Mashokonyaso Mudapangwa Election Conse Emmerson Mnangagwa has paralyzed the Vice President Constantino Chiwenga was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tibina Mnangagwa Mchinzi, Mpofu has been demoted to the marginal position of Secretary for ICT, a move widely interpreted as a calculated strike by Mnangagwa to paralyze Chiwenga's power base in the ruling party's escalating succession wars. The shake-up comes amid fierce factional rivalries inside ZANU-PF, reminiscent of the turbulence that preceded the ouster of Robert Mugabe in November 2017. At the center of the conflict is the unresolved question of who will succeed Mnangagwa now in his 80s. Chiwenga, the former commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, who orchestrated the 2017 coup that propelled Mnangagwa to power, is seen as his natural rival. Tensions between the two camps have intensified in the recent weeks. Chiwenga reportedly handed party leaders a damning dossier accusing Mnangagwa's allies of looting billions of dollars, with particular attention on businessman KUTYA, regarded as Mnangagwa's preferred successor. The allegations rattled the party elite, further deepening mistrust. Faced with these threats, Mnangagwa abruptly cancelled his trip to the United Nations General Assembly in New York after security briefings warned that his allies risked arrest in his absence. The Central Intelligence Organization reportedly questioned him that leaving the country could expose his camp to crippling attacks from within. By moving against Mpofu, Mnangagwa signaled his determination to neutralize Chiwenga's camp. Analysts say this reshuffle mirrors the high-stakes maneuvering of 2017 when Mugabe was deposed after failing to manage internal succession disputes. Unlike then, however, Mnangagwa and Chiwenga are now bitter opponents rather than allies. ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mchangwa confirmed a broader political reshuffle that further entrenches Mnangagwa's dominance. Jacob Mudenda, formerly Treasurer General, is now Secretary General, replacing Mpofu at the party's administrative core. PANECHAMISA, a trusted Mnangagwa ally, shifts